Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to update you on the flowers that I started from seed. As you can see, I'll show you here in a minute, they really need to be up potted. Don't do like me. Once they get their second leaves, they really need to be up potted, but we were really busy. But I'll bring you closer so you can see them, and this isn't all of them. Some of my flowers are still small. Those took a little bit to germinate, but I'll bring you closer here. As you can tell, they're really needing up potted. Within 2 days, when I planted the seeds, they started popping up, most of the flowers. There was a couple that took a little longer, but these are about half of the flowers. The other needs a little more time to grow. I don't know if it was, we didn't have room on our shelf in the bathroom that we usually put them. So I put a mat in our laundry room and put them on top of that, and they germinated within 2 days. So it must have been just right in there for them. So I'll show you maybe a little bit of the up potting. I'm not going to bore you because you're probably going to see our tomato video, up potting tomatoes, before you see this one. This is a different way because the tomatoes was only in single pods, but I'll show you how I do these, and we'll get busy here. Also, I'm going to be starting my sunflower seeds, and the way I'm going to do them is I'm just going to put one seed in one cup. They don't take as long to germinate and grow, so we're going to start them now. Okay, we're going to start with some dahlias here. I've just took a screw here and put a hole in the bottom of these cups. They're a little bit more fragile than the solo cups, but I'm going to use these for my flowers. If it was the solo cups, we'd be using the drill, but these just are a little bit more frail. All I'm going to do is just take this whole thing out. I don't know if you can see that. Sometimes this camera, just gently move it around, pull it out. Okay. All I'm going to do is just take one plant, easily pull it. You got the roots. Make a little hole. Make sure you label them. I won't remember what they are, so some things I can tell what they are, but I don't know. May not dahlias. I'm going to put that in there. Then move on to the next one. I'm going to be here for a while, so I'll just show you this Other one here, same thing. I'm up here in the barn, just easier to do it outside, and then we're not in the sun and wind and all. Today it's nice. Yesterday was really cold, and we got down in the 30s last night. Luckily I don't think there was frost, but I'll continue doing these, and I'll probably show you a little clip of my other flowers that still need to grow just a little bit. Well, we'll be back when I get these done. It's been a couple days since I up-potted. As you can see, there's a few that didn't make it, but here they all are. We'll probably get these hardened off. I'll take my mom and sister some, and I'll plant some. And if we have any extras, we'll see what we do with them. Okay, there you have it. Got them all up potted. I do have some still in the house that needs to be up potted soon. I'll put a clip in here of those. And in a few weeks we'll be planting them. Then I'll give you updates as they grow. But I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and come back and see us.
Homeland's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homeland's home.